Okay, well, the auction house has very, very blurry photos, and I just saw that this auction lot had a meerschaum pipe in it, so I wanted to acquire the pipe, but I couldn't tell what the design was. And then when I was opening up this box of stuff, I saw this little guy. I'm like, oh, that's creepy. I don't remember seeing that at all in the photos, but okay. And I notice that the barrel slides off. Yeah. All right, creepy enough. So then I open up this pipe. Oh, I opened it backwards. And I'm like, oh my gosh, what the heck is this? Yeah, it's literally a basket of dicks, and she's eating a flying dick. Okay, so that was bad enough. And I thought, okay, well, let's look at this little guy. Like, okay, we have some sort of advertisement. At least I thought. I guess I should have read the word here because, yeah. Yeah. I'm like, okay then. This is the most horrific thing I have ever bought in my entire life. And I don't even know if I can sell these on eBay. Come on, where's that switch? I mean, yeah, beautifully carved pipe. I was hoping to maybe get one for like Civil War reenacting, but nope, it's literally it's a thing. A few things. Things. Oh, and she has a slit. At least the postcards are normal. These are early 1900s postcards because these are leather and they stopped those in like 1910 because they were clogging up the machines or whatever. Oh, it also came with a piece of the Berlin Wall because why not just throw the Berlin Wall in with a bunch of dicks?